Santa Claus Christmas cookies. This is what we will be preparing today for a brunch that I'm having for my girls. Ciao everybody, Katerina here. Welcome to my home. Wow, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. I love this time of year. And I'm having a girls' Christmas brunch. And one of the cookies that I will be preparing, Zarafina named them, and they're called Santa Claus Christmas cookies. Delicious. And according to Serafina, Santa Claus loved them last year, that he even left her a thank you note. So let's get started. For best results, all your ingredients need to be at room temperature. 1 cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of granulated sugar. This is a beautiful, beautiful recipe. Now that the butter and the sugar have combined together, we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Stop your mixer and do a scrape down. We're going to keep doing scrape downs throughout this whole cookie recipe because we want everything to be combined evenly. You will need 2 large eggs and 1 egg yolk. We're going to add it to the mixer one at a time. Two, and the egg yolk. 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean extract. Stop your mixer and do another scrape down. Our wet ingredients is done. We're going to set it aside for now and begin with the dry ingredients. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, 2 cups of rolled oats, not the instant kind, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Tell me, this recipe, does it not say Christmas? 1 cup of white chocolate chips. And Zarafina's favorite, every time we make this recipe, she eats more than we use for baking, 1 1/4 cup of chocolate candy. We're going to give this a really good mix. You can see that I'm absolutely thrilled to make this recipe. We're ready to add the dry to the wet, 1 tablespoon at a time. Keep your mixer unstirred. You don't want to overmix. Your mixer and do a scrape down. Another quick mix. Divide the cookie dough into 4 portions. Plastic wrap and in the refrigerator for a minimum of 1.5 hours. Heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. With a 1/4 cup scooper, I've started preparing my cookies. And here we go. Perfect. And press them down ever so gently. There we go. Bake in the oven for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, rotate your tray and bake for an additional 2 minutes. About after a full 10-minute baking, I'm adding some more chocolate coated candy to the top of the cookie. Look how gorgeous that looks. And I'm going to place it back in the oven for 2 additional minutes. My Santa Claus Christmas cookies baked off beautifully. And I'm going to say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to allow them to cool for approximately 1 hour, and then I'm going to taste one for you. Oh, look at all that goodness. One word comes to mind, decadent. Party in my mouth. You can taste everything.
The Christmas Santa Claus cookies. Daniela's going to taste testing for me, and she's got a whole spiel ready. Here we go. This is perfect. So for Santa, some more milk. I'm sure he's going to enjoy it. He's going to put by my house every year. Oh yes. Yes, thank you.
Absolutely delicious. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. And it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. Get to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. I want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas to you and all your families. Oh,